Okay, so I thought I would come and do a part two to the vlog that I just did. Honestly, I'm really not, I can't complain because what he did was reversible. You know, the damage that was done is definitely reversible. But when I tell you that to me, okay, to me, if I were to show you, you would notice it, but you would probably be like, it's really not that bad. And that's because, like, 3 weeks ago, it was much worse. Like, when I had first dropped the weight, it was much worse. To me, it looks like, to me, he drug me like a wild animal, like on the it that's what it looks like to me. It just looks like it does to me. And that's because I'm very sensitive about it and I know what it's supposed to look like. And honestly, in many ways, that's exactly what he did. I honestly don't know what happened to this person, why this person, along with his other gang stalking buddies, were so evil to me, but I just wanted to come and say to their fucking face that what you did is reversible. I still have my mind. I still have my spirit, all my spirit, as well as my beauty. And it's just, it's just going to cost me a couple of dollars and, you know, a box of plastic wrap. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, that literally, and so it's like, I don't know why people would spend all their time trying to do something temporary. Now obviously the plan going forward is not only, exercise, working out, but then also really, really, really powerful spiritual protection that I have. Yeah. But then also the biggest change, because I dealt with this dude for 5 years. The biggest change is that he can't come nowhere near me ever again. Ever again. And if you guys are noticing any kind of dark circles under my eyes, it's because I'm tired. I've been up and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I need to go to sleep. But I know that once I start taking the fish oil supplements and the vitamin E, that's gonna go away too. Even though I naturally have like these bedroom eyes, it's kind of more pronounced because I'm sleepy. And then, I'm getting my health together and my nutrition back to where it was, you know what I'm saying? And so it just is so horrible, you know what I'm saying? And so my plan, and like I said, I'm gonna ask my new significant other, like, I feel like he's my soulmate. He doesn't agree yet. I'm gonna ask him if it's okay for me to show it, excuse me, like show the back of my thighs, like when it's right, because I swear to you, it was right. And let me just tell y'all another thing. Let me give y'all a tip. Just because you get older does not mean that your body is just going to naturally fall apart. Like, internally, I know that I'm healthy. I feel great. Like, I don't have any warning signs or anything like that, and so I don't. And then also, I'm a healer, and so I just, yeah. But it's kind of like, I cannot wait until I am able to do that. And hopefully my boo thing will agree with it and be okay with it. But, I was looking at some videos of myself from 2 years ago, and I'm not overweight anymore. I just need to get in shape. Like, I don't need to lose anything except for, and it's getting better. Like I said, I've been using this gold bond stuff and people swear by it, but I think that, like I said in part one, that fish oil, that vitamin E oil directly on the skin with those wraps, key, because it does increase the blood supply like instantly. And obviously, if the skin looks like that, it could use that. And I can't remember exactly, like, I don't even know if I vlogged about it. And I might go back and try to look and see, because, I was definitely in social media in 2018. But it's so bizarre, you know what I'm saying? And it just, it just, be careful, women and men, with toxic females too, because, yeah, but be very, very careful with, you know, yeah. And just know that you can heal yourself. Just know that you can get back to normal. Just know that you can restore yourself. And so this time when I do the fish oil wrap, I'm going to enchant it as well. Like the last time I just did it and it worked, you know what I'm saying? And it actually worked almost instantly. But the one thing I can tell you is that the issue that I had was not quite as bad. Like, I've never, ever, ever lost weight, which I did do it intentionally. Okay, I knew I was going to lose the weight. So it wasn't like I just had a sudden weight loss and there's something wrong. But I've never, ever not lost weight and worked out with it. Like, I've always exercised and used MSM. So I may even get some MSM pills and break them up and like make like some kind of body wrap cream DIY. I'll see what I see, because MSM is really good for weight loss and it helps to boost the collagen. So does the fish oil, so does vitamin E. But it, like, as far as like it literally improving the appearance immediately, like, it does that, because nobody, like, you know, I think do all you can. You know what I'm saying? Do everything that you can, because you're worth it. You know what I'm saying? And, then also I have been pampering myself a lot, like I said, with the reflexology and stuff, and it's been working well. I just never again, like, that person was, like I said, I don't even think that he was human. I don't. Because I'm like, what the I'm like, it just. And yeah, I've been doing spell work actually. And you know what? Sometimes spell work works that way. And then I've also been listening to frequencies and stuff. And I've noticed the difference. You just have to keep at that stuff. But I just know for a fact that doing the body wraps, and then you can also use castor oil too. But I'm just going to use straight up fish oil, some pumpkin oil, pumpkin seed oil, and vitamin E. And, I'm going to see if it's okay for me to show that off. You know what I'm saying? Because it just literally, that area of myself just started deteriorating, and he just kept abusing and abusing, and it'd be like he would be normal 1 second and the next second he was literally so very abusive. And see, for me, I'm a very powerful telepath and empath. So he was abusing me even when he wasn't abusing me to my face, because I could hear, sense, feel everything that he was saying about me. Just pure evil. Pure evil. Okay? Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna hopefully get permission to show y'all that. And I hope that it cuts him so deep. I do. For real. Anyway. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.